everybody, we're here. As you can see, there's the grand opening. There's a bunch of fish in that tank, along with 6 turtles. You got 5 green turtles and 1 loggerhead turtle. I believe the name of the loggerhead is Big Mom. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but I'll be here in 2 weeks for the night for the event. As you can see, man, they're just frantically just spinning around in their new habitat. Check that out. That's amazing. But this is all part of the Turtle Reef section, as you can see. Got 2 new attractions over here. Of course, the sea turtles over here on the left. And through that walkway there will be the Food and Wine Festival around the lake. Over here, as everyone knows, is of course the interesting roller coaster. Let's take a look and see if we can see anything over here. Take a look out there. Oh yeah, I can't wait. As progress continues, we'll try to keep you guys all informed on what's happening. But let's get a little closer look at these sea turtles here and see what's going on. It looks to me like they've added all kinds of fish in here as well. Big Mama size this year. There's some Big Mama. You notice that the holders are not long like the other ones. The big one there heading towards the back. Big Mama weighs about 250 pounds. Wow. Big, she's thick. We love her. It's really a nice job with the rock work here. I like the way the facade looks, pretty cool. It's really awesome. We got Chuck over here. Here's Chuck Perot. Hey Chuck, how you doing, sir? Good to see you.
Good, how are you?
Oh, awesome.
Nice to see you.
Love it. So anyway, looks pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. I believe these are the first fish to actually be in San Antonio. As far as the sea turtles are concerned, I don't recall ever seeing any sea turtles at any time. And as you can see, it's pretty packed here still. And this has been over an hour and a half since the grand opening. People are still flocking, so definitely a hit. The rides aren't too bad. It is a pass holder only event today, so it's not really packed. As you can see, it's some people sitting on the sidelines as they wait for kids to probably ride, so it's not too bad. Awesome, very well done. Okay guys, here we are behind the scenes again for that 2020 what is coming here, most likely wooden coaster. Just want to give you a little gander of what's going on with all the opening of Turtle Reef. See what else is happening here. So we're still behind the fence, and I can't actually see anything from here, so I'll have to comment probably afterwards, but just wanted to quickly give you an update on what's happening behind the scenes here. Hopefully in fall we'll get that announcement on what exactly is the name of the ride and the type of ride. As I was telling you, I believe there's 2 attractions coming here, possibly, or at least 2 different things. I'm not sure exactly, but you be the judge. See what's coming up.